Freelancing is about making sure that you're paid fairly for your time. We will do the complete visuals and everything. We take it to the client and the client will say, can you move this here? Can you move that there? So what happens is a 1 month project ends up becoming a 5 month project. A profitable project becomes a loss-making project. So the way you want to basically think about is, how do I make sure that the project does not extend? So a couple of tricks. Get aligned with what the customer wants, document everything. Now, if tomorrow a client comes back and says, hey, I want you to change this, share the minutes of meeting, says, well, we discussed this, and that's why I did this. You are asking me to change the requirement, so it's going to increase the amount of time and it's going to increase the cost. Do not go to the visuals and get the agreement. Just do basic sketches, get agreements at that level, understand what the problems are, and then gradually increase the fidelity.